Good morning, Ted. Thank you for being here.
Hello, my name is Ted Schmidt, and I have some property at the end of Absher Road, which is 70 Absher Road, and it's west of Ewing Highway. And what I would like to propose is that we make that road, Absher Road, which is County Road A001, a county-maintained road. We noticed that Ewing Highway has had some development, and we'd like to have similar or comparable development done on Absher Road and have it maintained by the county. Right now it's just been a dirt road, and it's been a dirt road for at least 100 years, and we'd like to see about probably getting some maintenance done to that, or consistent maintenance done to that road.
Thank you, Mr. Smith. Thank you to your father for also being here and the other gentleman that I met this morning. These, for the commission, I just wanted to let you know, these are members of people that live in District 3. And when I first came into office, I did address this road to see what it would take to have it maintained on a more regular basis. However, I was told that it was a green road and could only be maintained once or twice a year. So that's basically what I know of it. I liked how you said you'd like some comparable work done because of the road across the street. And I smile only because that's very costly, so that would be a huge jump to be able to make something like that happen. But certainly this is something that can be considered by the commission. We'd have to get some feedback from our road department. I know there has been staff that has talked back and forth with several of the residents as well as the road department. So I think all of the people that have had some discussion should come together so that we can figure out how to move forward if we can move forward. But I appreciate you guys being here and your time, and I know that it's important to you. So we will work on this collectively with the staff, and then we will bring this back and we will make sure you're included in the conversation.
Okay. Do I need to check with?
We will get in touch with you if you'll just give your contact information with the county manager's office.
Okay.
Did we answer all of your questions? Is there any other comments?
I think we're good.
Good. Okay. Thank you so much for being here.